First things first, Stellars, for the people here who don't know, is open source decentralized blockchain. And is one of the largest blockchain in the market right now in terms of active transactions. They have over 22 billion US dollars in volume for real world asset payments on the network. Stellar has the goal to connect the world's financial infrastructure and has the mission that with that they can unlock financial inclusion globally. The network design enables fast, low cost, and secure cross-border transactions, ideal for payments, remittance, aid disbursement, and asset tokenization. You will hear a lot about SDF, or the Stellar Development Foundation. They are the non-profit organization that supports the growth of the network adoption and infrastructure. Nerex is a leading Latin American firm specialized in go-to-market and compliance strategies, and they are also the company behind one of the largest educational platforms in Latin America for emerging technology. They are helping lots of professionals to get specialized on AI, Web3, asset tokenization, smart contracts, DeFi, and a lot of other cool subjects. Caio Matos is the CEO for Nerex, and he's the leading person behind the Brazilian Ambassadors Program, one of the most active development communities on the Stellar ecosystem. They are doing lots of conferences every year and events every year and sharing lots of great content. So thank you so much for this incredible and hard work that they are doing. For people who don't know me yet, I'm Doug. I'm the CTO at Cheesecake Labs. Cheesecake Labs is a software design engineering company with headquarters in San Francisco and Florianopolis, here in Brazil. And we've been in the market for over a decade now. We are helping startups and enterprise build digital products on the Web 2 and also Web 3 space since then. For almost 5 years now, since 2020, we are the go-to integration partner for the Stellar. So anyone who wants to build digital products integrated to the Stellar network, they get referred to us by the Stellar Development Foundation. And in this past 5 years of partnership, we have done a lot, like really a lot, from asset tokenization to wallets to DeFi products. We have done lots of great projects to great clients around the world, especially in the US. And I have make a short list of 5 projects that I want to showcase to you folks today that I believe represent lots about the powerful behind the Stellar network. The first project is the Vesseo platform. I believe this was mentioned by Michael on one of the problems that he mentioned. Vesseo is a wallet, a non-custodial digital wallet, and it has the goal to allow people to easily buy and hold USDC. It has a huge focus here in Latin America, more specific Argentina, and now they're expanding to other countries such as Brazil, for example. And for people who are from around, you all have heard about the issues with inflation in Argentina in the last few months and year. So people were seeing their money get devalued day after day. So with the Vesseo, they can get their pesos, the local currency, and load and cash in into Vesseo wallet, and that pesos get converted automatically to USDC, US dollar stablecoin. Only by doing that, they are protecting their money or against the local inflation. But the Vesseo do something else beyond that. It facilitates how people can expand and use this money after. So people only need to convert the money back from USDC to pesos when they need to use. So this was very helpful in Argentina, and they are growing a lot in Latin America and some other countries. All of these apps are available on the store, so you can download and you can use here in Brazil or Argentina, so feel free to try for yourself. Another great project that we were part of is with MoneyGram. MoneyGram, for the people who doesn't know, is one of the biggest company related to remittance and cross-border transfer and payments. They are in over 150 countries. They have millions of active users. And we are the company that have helped them design and engineer their non-custodial wallet that now allow people to easily transfer money cross-border. And it's very, very easy instantly. Basically, the general flow is a person here in Brazil with Brazilian reais, for example, can go to a MoneyGram location or agent and cash in the non-custodial wallet, transfer this money to someone, for example, in the United States for inside the app, and that person in the United States can withdraw that money with local currency also, with US dollars, for example. All of that instantly, very cheap, very fast. Incredible solution, also available for anyone who wants to test it and try. We have also helped Mercado Bitcoin, one of the largest Latin America exchange to deploy or to launch their stablecoin on the Stellar network a few years ago, and we have also helped them to build a DeFi application integrated to this stablecoin. We have also helped and worked with Paxos to build some L2 stablecoins recently. Besides those great projects with great clients, we are also very active on the development community. We are a software engineering company, so we have lots of engineers at the company building those incredible projects. And we try our best to contribute to this community by building solutions, tools, libraries that anyone can use. So I brought here two different products that we have launched to the market. One is the Stellar Asset Sandbox. This is incredible. It's basically a platform that you can issue and manage digital tokens very easily. And again, when I say easily, it's incredible easily. With a few clicks, you can issue and mint your token on the Stellar network. Another great solution is the Stellar Disbursement Platform, the STP, which is similar, but for the global disbursement. So this platform facilitates if you want to do global disbursement for different countries and different people. Both platforms are open source, available and live for anyone to download, use, and start creating your use cases on the Stellar network. And those are just a few, but hopefully I made my point about the Stellar and how powerful the network is to build financial use cases. I mentioned at the beginning that it's a fast, low-cost, and secure network. But besides that, there are many of other network default features that facilitate building financial use cases. One that I want to highlight is the anchors concept. This is also designed on the network, so they have a standard for anchors, which is a way for local companies to plug into the Stellar network and facilitate the on and off ramp, meaning to convert cash to crypto and crypto to cash. And the local, the keyword local is key here, because this is, like as Sophia mentioned, like here we use PIX, something that's not available in the US. In the US, they use a different solution. So we need to speak how the locals speak, and we need to connect with the locals where they are. Because only by doing that is that we will unlock the power of the blockchain for these final consumers. So the anchors is a network of local companies that facilitate these cash to crypto and crypto to cash. On the network, on the Stellar, this network is established already, so we have dozens of anchors connected to the network facilitating this. Here in Brazil, in Argentina, I mentioned MoneyGram, so MoneyGram is available for startups and wallets to connect with and facilitate the on and off ramp for the final consumer. Plus the cross-border, and something that I mentioned, but the development community around the Stellar network is incredible. We have a lot of tools, a lot of libraries. It's a community very active, and they like to share, and they like to be part of those constructions. Plus, they also have an interesting grant program in place to facilitate new startups and new entrepreneurs to join the network, start building use cases. And I'm very proud to announce that Stellar Annual Conference, it's happening this year in Brazil. Actually in the city, Rio de Janeiro, next month, on September 17 and 18 of next month. The Meridian conference. The Meridian Blueprint is the flagship conference for Stellar. Is where the major announcements and breakthroughs are discussed or happen. It's incredible 2 days full with keynotes, hackathons. We have great discussions with great people. I've been personally myself in at least 4 different regions, in Rome, in London, in Barcelona, in Madrid. And besides the great content, the great breakthroughs, the great announcements, for me, one of the top points of the conference is the networking. There we have decision makers, we have policy makers, we have enterprises, all of those folks, of course, discussing what's coming next on the Stellar network, but more than that, shaping what's coming next for the financial industry. So I highly recommend, if you will be here or you want to come to Rio de Janeiro again, to participate on this conference. And 2 days before, on September 15 and 16, we have the Hack Meridian, which is also a flagship hackathon for Stellar. And this year, it also happened here in Brazil at Copacabana Palace. Both the conference and the hackathon will happen at Copacabana Palace. And this year we have 50K US dollars worth in lumens. This is the token at the Stellar network for participants in awards. And we're expecting more than 500 participants to be part of this hackathon on 15 and 16 of next month. And of course, we have an exclusive discount for the Blockchain Rio participants. And actually, I have 3 different announcements related to the Meridian conference. One is, if you're a Brazilian resident and you have a Brazilian passport, you can get your ticket for $29. This is very cheap. The current general admission right now is at $299. So if you're a Brazilian, they have a huge discount for Brazilian residents at $29. And if you're not a Brazilian resident, don't get worried. We also have a good discount for you. By using this code, Blockchain Rio 149, you can get the passport for the 2 days at $149. Thanks so much to the organization for this incredible event again. I'll be here for the drinks and for the network later if someone wants to continue the conversation, and I'll be there tomorrow and the day after also if someone wants to know more about Cheesecake, Stellar, or ERX. Thanks so much.